Hello, new girls and old girls. I hope everybody's enjoying being together. What do you think? Good job. Yes, yes, yes. I think I did a good job, huh? Comes Bit. Two girls are liking to be together. All right, awesome. Awesome. You guys are perfect. Thank you. That's so cool. There's Bit again. Hi, Bitty. Thank you so much. You did a good job putting you guys together. Yes? Thank you.